Yo, this Mr. Vegas and got it locked to OneNEss Sound, the whole thing turn up.
Yo, what's up? This is your boy Major Hype, aka the King of Caribbean, coming in right now. I'm bigging up my sound. You don't know OneNEss Sound. Big up yourself. No clown, no come around. You see it? Or else fire for that time over.
Alright peeps, so welcome to another episode of Junior Travels, or MixMasta Junior Travels, or OneNEss Travels. I'll find something to call it. But anyways, y'all already know I'm late. I'm supposed to be recording up to the airport and all of these things, but just bear with me, man. Bear with me. I'm the second vlog. This is my second vlog, so it's gonna get better over time. But anyways, you know it. Back on the road again. That's it. Free upgrade 5D, so I mean it's a blessing. Champagne and all these things. But anyways, big up to everybody that's got to tune in. We're heading to Liberia, Costa Rica right now. You know the thing. So just journey with me. Just want to show you which event we are take care of. Alright?
Them for no OneNEss are rough up the world. Real life.
Yo, me I said, man, I don't know, so the one mission boss vibe that I represent. OneNEss Sound. Yeah, me I said, the MixMasta Junior, your DJ Banzi, your Liquor Rock, your DJ CJ.
Oh gosh, from we born out of we mother belly, mama tell we say son go fi where we want. OneNEss no worry about wicked hard people fi tell you the truth. OneNEss, last night me get a vision. Say money soon come we have to live successfully. OneNEss Sound, soon run the road till the white line fade away. Big dreams, big dreams. Dreams say we have to richer than cartel. Big dreams, big dreams. OneNEss Sound have to rich as well. Live large, live large. If you get on you dream dog, have to live large. Big house, big car. Buy where we want, fly anywhere where we want. Big dreams, big dreams. Dreams say we have to richer than cartel. Big dreams, big dreams. OneNEss Sound. Yo, MixMasta Junior, watch out. We have to rich before we time done. Pull up in at the dealership and buy the Phantom. Girl, we used to try to style with them, now say we handsome. Why? I choose you know the money can't done. Money power mind that alone I move we. Make the money like the size in the movie. Big Benz on the road and we are cruising. Make the money don't lose it. Live large, live large. If you get on you dream dog, I feel live large. Big house, big car. Buy what we want, fly anywhere where we want. Big dreams, big dreams. Dreams say we have to richer than cartel. Big dreams, big dreams. Yo, DJ Bunzy, watch out now, ay. Stack the money every day and then flip it. We
So come on, you're still the MixMasta Junior's here.
Thank you, have a wonderful weekend.
Alright, so I reach, and where do I go now? Anyways, so I have to find somebody and ask them what I'm going. Hold on, on the thing say, yo, on the thing say Costa Rica, Joe. Yo, listen what they on the radio. Listen.
I'm a way that the same. Me not a high up, me just step out and you catch it on the street. With a buckle like in his hand, a black and...
Yo, and I thought Jamaica roads were dark. Jesus! What's this? Jesus! Anyways, road. There you go. So we out here, Reese Hotel. Chauffeur driven, there you go. No, y'all can't see nothing, but I'm gonna show y'all how it look in the daytime, alright? So as I touch down, you know what it already is. Gotta eat the food. Guess who I run into out here?
Oh God, boy.
We out here, man. Costa Rica, now good again. Party a little later, you know it go? Watch us scunt here. Up top. the end of the first night. I'm gonna call it a night. Jet lag and all these things, you know how it go. I'm gonna show you all the room and the view and all of that in the morning. But anyways, a king side bed here calling my name. So in the morning I'll show you everything, alright? Tomorrow again. Hot tub out here. You know how it go. Catch the view. I man have a farm in the hills. Anyways, yeah man. Costa Rica, nice. I like it. Ah, mad thing. You know how it go. Nice view. The pool and thing over there, so. I'm gonna show you more of the resort. Nice, you know? Out here, you know, another day in the world. You know, living like a localist right now. Day a few days, so I'm a localist now. Anyways, journey with me. See what today I have in store. You know? Yeah, order some food right now.
Ordered this in the store already.
The grilled salmon fillet.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
What's her name? Campari? Yeah, Campari.
What is that? Hey, did you order apple
What's her name? ¿Cómo está?
My name is Bernardo.
Hernando?
Yeah.
Granado.
Bernardo.
Meet my friend, Granado.
Why are you always doing that?
I mean,
That's not your friend. You just met him. That's not your friend.
you gonna take care of me. Yo, listen to what they playing in the bathroom. This is the bathroom, by the way. Pump me up. Why may I use the bathroom? Like you want to dance while I use the bathroom. Pump me up. Watch you go on a foreign yeah, man. Bumbo. Watch me. Watch the DJ them. Watch the DJ them. Yo, I go on a foreign. No, sir. I'll be in a fall. Hold on. Yes, you know. Out and stand there. Alright, people, we're about to make our journey to the airport, you know what I mean? It's a great time out here in Costa Rica. You know what I mean? People look on this, hold on. People look on it. Tell me if the money and I pack up all of the soap them and everything from in the room. Perfume bag. Big no. Yo! Tyrone pack up all of the towel them. You packed up the towels, the washcloth, everything. The soap, the conditioner. I don't know how he fit that complimentary umbrella in there, but it's in there too. Anyways, Costa Rica was nice, you know what I mean?
Excuse me.
Señor, hasta luego. I mean, Spanish class was good in elementary school, you know what I mean? I paid attention. Yeah, man, sir. So I do it. Without care. But the money I love to use my slogan. Anyways, OneNEss Sound, Vibes International, Tyrone, MixMasta Junior there. There you go. Stay tuned. Getting used to this vlogging thing. I like it. Show y'all what's going on in the world, alright?
Hey, Ben! What you talking to him for?
Anyways, we're out. Hispanic dancehall reggae. Big up to my driver.
He's making a mix.
Show you my driver. Up top. What's his name again? Toledo.
Yes, sir.
Toledo.
It's T-O-L-O. No, T-O-L-E-D-O.
Toledo. We're there. I listen to some Toledo. Costa Rican music. But they listen to Capleton and Vibes Cartel and all of them.
It's originally come from England.
England?
Yeah.
Okay. We reach the airport, you know what you think go. Watch a fish man.
Oh, there.
Them for no OneNEss rough up the world.
OneNEss Sound, lock down the place. Woo!